Join me as I dive into the world of tiger nuts and see if they really hold the secrets to boosting manhood. In this video, we are going to explore the fascinating world of tiger nuts and how they may play a role in boosting your manhood. Many men face challenges related to stamina and performance, often seeking natural solutions to enhance their vitality. One of the most common issues men face is low libido, which can be frustrating and affect their confidence. It is no wonder men are always on the lookout for ways to boost their manhood and improve their sexual performance. Low sperm counts is another challenge many men face, which can make it difficult to conceive and start a family. With so many factors affecting male reproductive health, it is essential to find a natural solution that can help. Men's health is often linked to their testosterone levels, which can affect their energy, mood, and overall well-being. A healthy testosterone level is crucial for maintaining a healthy sexual drive and reproductive system. However, with the rise of modern living, many men are experiencing a decline in their testosterone levels, leading to a range of health issues. It is vital to find a natural solution that can help boost testosterone levels and support male reproductive health. It is clear that many men are struggling to find a natural solution to their sexual health issues. With so many products and supplements on the market, it can be overwhelming to find what really works. That is why we are going to explore the benefits of tiger nuts and see if they can provide a natural solution to boosting manhood. In recent years, tiger nuts have gained popularity due to their numerous health benefits, making them an attractive option for men looking to boost their manhood. But what makes tiger nuts so special? And can they really make a difference in male reproductive health? We will discuss the nutritional benefits of tiger nuts, including their high fiber content, vitamins and minerals, and how these contribute to overall health. Tiger nuts are an excellent source of fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. A healthy gut is crucial for overall health, and fiber plays a significant role in supporting the growth of good bacteria in the gut. Tiger nuts are also rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, magnesium, and potassium. These nutrients are essential for maintaining healthy bones, muscles, and nerves. Vitamin E is particularly important for supporting skin health and protecting against cell damage. Magnesium is crucial for maintaining healthy blood flow and supporting muscle function, while potassium helps regulate blood pressure. The combination of fiber, vitamins, and minerals in tiger nuts makes them an excellent addition to a healthy diet. But how do these nutrients contribute to male reproductive health? And can they really boost manhood? Studies have shown that a diet rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals can have a significant impact on male reproductive health. A healthy diet can help boost testosterone levels, improve sperm quality, and enhance sexual function. The nutrients found in tiger nuts can help support the growth of healthy sperm, improve vitality, and even reduce the risk of erectile dysfunction. The key moments will review scientific studies and expert opinions on the relationship between tiger nuts and male reproductive health. Studies have shown that tiger nuts can help increase testosterone levels, improve sperm quality, and enhance sexual functions. Experts agree that tiger nuts can be a valuable addition to a healthy diet, providing essential nutrients that support male reproductive health. In one study, men who consumed tiger nuts for 6 weeks showed a significant increase in testosterone levels and improved sperm quality. The study concluded that tiger nuts can be a natural and effective way to boost male vitality and reproductive health. Another study found that tiger nuts can help reduce the risk of erectile dysfunction by improving blood flow and supporting healthy testosterone levels. The study concluded that tiger nuts can be a valuable natural solution for men struggling with erectile dysfunction. To make a tiger nut drink at home, you can soak, blend, and strain the tiger nuts with other nutrients. First, wash and soak. Remove any dirty or stones from the tiger nuts, then wash and soak them for 1 to 24 hours. Add other ingredients depending on your recipe. You can add other ingredients like coconuts, dates, carrots, cucumber, ginger, cloves, black pepper or cocoa butter powder. Blend. Add the ingredients to a blender with some water and blend until smooth. Strain. Strain the mixture through a cheesy cloth to remove solids. Add sugar or other flavorings. If desired, you can add sugar, vanilla extracts or other flavorings. Taste before adding too much sugar, as tiger nuts and dates can be sweet. Place the extracted milk drink in a refrigerator to chill up and serve cold. In summary, tiger nuts may offer a natural way to support male vitality, but it is essential to combine them with a healthy lifestyle for the best results. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and check my other videos for more bedroom performance tips and relationship advice.